gearboxes are a staple of engineering. They run almost every machine in the world. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some of them are incredibly unusual. A gearbox is simply a series of integrated gears within some kind of housing. Its purpose is to transfer energy from one device to another. It's also used to increase or decrease output torque and change the speed of a motor. There are many different types, designs, and specifications when it comes to gearboxes. A helical gearbox is one of the most widely used gearboxes and the most efficient. It's fixed at an angle to the shaft. This enables multiple teeth to be in contact during operation, carrying more load. It's used in the production of plastics, cement, and rubber, and functions in extruders, crushers, coolers, and conveyors. Helical gearboxes contain different types of gears, depending on their purpose. Make up a gearbox. We typically see round gears with teeth. But it's important to note that gears themselves also come in seemingly endless shapes and sizes too. For example, there are spur gears, helical gears, bevel gears, worm gears, and rack and pinion systems. But that's not an exhaustive list by any means. Engineers and amateurs alike have also designed cube gears, nautilus gears, oval gears, spherical gears, rectangular gears, donut gears, and more bizarre creations. Gearboxes and their components are a huge part of everyday life. Just about every machine in every industry, simple or complex, uses a gearbox. Next time you're driving down the highway, biking to class, or hopping on the subway, consider all the engineering that goes into everything around you.